Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to grow your email list using landing pages with the app Kit, which is one of the most user-friendly email tools for creators like bloggers, newsletter writers, podcasters, and content creators in general. And there's a link in the description of this video, and if you sign up for a paid Kit account using that link in the description, I'll give you free access to Kit University, which is an online course I created for beginners who want to get the most out of Kit. There's also a free ebook in this online course, 50 daily newsletter signups. It's a quick 12-page ebook where I explain the 3 steps I took to gain 50 daily newsletter signups with my online dog training business. And there are some other goodies in this online course as well. And as you can see, I've used Kit as well for a long time. So for example, this specific form has generated more than 30,000 subscribers alone. But there are also other forms that you can see, 8,000 subscribers, more than 1,000, more than 1,000, close to 1,000, more than 3,000. So forms is definitely a very good way to grow your email list. But you obviously need traffic to those forms and landing pages to get those subscribers. So here's an example. So this is my dog training website in the Netherlands. And on this blog post, which gets traffic from both organic Google searches and paid Google ads, I link to a free puppy schedule. So stuff like ideal feeding times, walking times, and sleeping times, etc. So here's one of the links that links to that free puppy schedule. So download the free puppy schedule, it says here. So this blog post alone converts at around 10%. So that means about 10% of the people who read this blog end up joining my email list, which is pretty solid, right? So here is again a link to that free schedule people can download. And I mentioned that organically throughout this blog post multiple times. So to create a landing page inside Kit, you're gonna click on Grow, and there you're gonna click on Landing Pages and Forms, and then we're gonna create a new landing page. So here we can choose whether we're gonna use a form or a landing page. So with this specific blog post, I'm using a landing page. So I'm linking to a landing page for that free puppy schedule, so that for that freebie I'm giving away. But you can also use a form, that's fine as well. But in this example, I'm gonna choose the landing page. There are plenty of landing page templates, as you can see. And if you're giving away a freebie, then this first one is fine, but you can also choose another one. So for example, maybe this one over here, I'm gonna click on choose. And here we can add an image of that particular freebie. So let's say I want to edit this image. I'm going to click on the image. I'm going to click on replace. So this is an example image of another free download. And as you can see, it doesn't match perfectly. So I obviously would tweak this image a little bit so it matches nicely into this container. So then you want to tweak the text here to match the freebie you're giving away. So I tweaked it a little bit. So I tweaked the headline, the description of it. I changed the button text to download now. But for some reason, I cannot delete the heading over here, nor can I delete the white space here. But luckily, we can add some custom CSS here, and I'll show you how you can tweak this design so you can delete the white space and delete the heading here as well. So just as an example, I'm going to add test here. And I'm going to publish this landing page. I'm going to click on publish. I'm going to copy this URL. So now we want to delete the white space here, and we do not want to show the headline here. So I'm going to press the right mouse button. I'm going to click on inspect. And as you can see here, we can see the name of the class. I'm going to click on it and I'm going to copy it. And I'm going to go to ChatGPT. And this is what I'm going to say. I don't want to show this class with CSS. So I copied the CSS class. I'm going to press enter. And I'm going to copy this code over here. I'm going to go back to Kit. I'm going to go to general styles, scroll down a little bit. Here we have the custom CSS. And I'm going to paste that in here. And now as you can see, the headline is gone. We're going to go back to the landing page because we also want to remove the white space here, right? And to find that white space, you just have to hover over these different classes over here. And as you can see, I just hovered over this one here. And here, as you can see, this is the white space. So I'm going to copy this class name as well. So I'm going to copy it and I'm going to go back to ChatGPT and I'm going to say, hide this class too. I'm going to copy it again. I'm going to go back to Kit's landing page. I'm going to paste it in. And as you can see, the white space now is gone. So this just goes to show that you can do a lot of stuff inside CSS to tweak the landing page. And then we also have this Build with Kit logo here. So let's say I want to remove that as well with CSS. I'm not sure if that's possible, but let's try it. Class 2. I'm gonna copy it again, gonna go back to Kit, gonna paste it in here. And as you can see, the logo now is gone as well. So I'm gonna click on publish, I'm gonna click on share, copy the URL to check how it looks. And this is the final result. No logo, no white space, no header. And by the way, if you wanna use your own domain, you can do that here as well, right? Settings, domain, and then select the domain you want to use. Then to deliver that freebie, you're going to go to settings and then go to incentive. And here is the incentive email. So whenever someone enters their email address and clicks on the download now button, this is the email they will receive. So important, confirm your subscription. Thanks for signing up. Click the link below to confirm your subscription and you'll be on your way. So you can tweak this email to, for example, something like this. So your free puppy schedule inside, confirm to get it. Thanks for signing up. Your free downloadable puppy schedule is ready. Just confirm your subscription using the button below and the download starts. Confirm your subscription and download free puppy schedule. This guide will help you stay on track, blah, 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 blah. We're excited to be part of your puppy journey. I'm gonna click on save. And then over here, you want to add the PDF of that particular freebie. So whenever someone enters their email address, they click download now, they will now receive this incentive.